बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। देखती आंखों और सुनते कानों को, बंदी हकसार का आदाब। टुडे our topic is parts of speech. Learning about the parts of speech is the first step in grammar study, just as learning the letter of the alphabet is the first step to being able to read and write. It's quite important to recognize parts of speech. This helps you to analyze the sentences and understand them. And it also helps you to construct good sentences. And words are divided into different kinds according to their function in the composition. These different kinds of words are called parts of speech. And these parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, article, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Some grammarian consider article as the ninth part of speech. In fact, article is an adjective. In modern grammar, it is called determiner. These are the thousands of the words in any language, but not all words have the same job. For example, some words express action, other words express a thing, other words join one word to another word. These are the building blocks of the language. Think of them like the parts of a house. When we want to build a house, we use concrete to make the foundation or base. We use bricks to make the wall. We use window frames to make the windows and door frames to make doorways. And we use cement to join them all together. Each part of this house has its own job, and when we want to build a sentence, we use the different types of words. Each types of word has its own job. We can categorize English words into 8 basic types or classes. These classes are called parts of speech. So first one is noun. Noun is a word which names a person, a place, or thing. For example, chair, table, book, New York, computer. These all are the words is the name of person or the place or a thing. Noun can name a person. For example, Lama Iqbal, the president, my father, a girl. And noun can also name a place. Mount Everest, Disneyland, my bedroom. These all are noun. Types of noun. There are different types of noun. Concrete noun and concrete noun is subdivided into two different classes: common noun and proper noun, abstract noun, countable and uncountable noun, collective noun, compound noun, possessive noun, regular plural nouns, and irregular noun. These all are the types of noun. We can discuss these all types in this video. Proper noun. A proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, or thing. In written English, a proper noun always begin with a capital letter. For example, Peshawar. It refers to only one particular city. Salman refers to a particular person. Common noun is a name for something which is common for many things, persons, or places. For example, country. It can refer to any country, nothing in particular. City, it can refer to any city like Melbourne, but nothing in particular. And abstract noun. An abstract noun is a word for something that cannot be seen but is there. It has no physical existence. Generally, it refers to ideas, qualities, and conditions. For example, truth, lies, happiness, sorrow, time, humor, patriotism. You cannot be seen, all these things you can't touch, but all these things have physical existence. So next is concrete noun. A concrete is the exact opposite of abstract noun. It refers to the things we see and have physical existence. For example, chair, table, bat, ball, water, money, sugar. And collective noun. Collective noun is a word for a group of things. Group of things people or animal. For example, family, team, jury, cattle. Collective nouns can be both plural and singular. It can be plural and it can be singular. Next, countable noun. The nouns that can be counted are called countable noun. Countable nouns can take an article, a, and the. For example, chair, table, bat, ball. And non-countable noun are uncountable noun. The nouns that can't be counted are called non-countable noun. Water, you cannot count water. Sugar, oil, salt, you cannot say one water, two waters, three water, because water is non-countable. Next, compound noun. A compound noun is a noun that is made with two or more words. For example, moon is a one word, light is another word. Moon, light makes compound noun. Make together compound noun. For example, cricket, bat, fast food, flower shops, sunflower, classroom, rainfall. These all made with two or more words. Next, proper pronoun. Pronoun. A word which can be used in a place of noun. For example, it, she, something, and myself. Pronoun. Personal pronoun types. Types of personal pronoun. First person, second person, third person. Singular or plural. First person, I and me, singular. We and us, plural. Second person, you and plural, singular. You, plural, you. And third person, she, her, he, him, it, they, and them. And plural, they and them. Gender, she, her, hers, he, him, and his. And for plural, they and them. Subject, object, and possessive, singular and plural. Next, a personal pronoun is a pronoun typically used to refer to speaker or to the people or things that a speaker is referring to. Example of personal pronouns include I, we, it, they, you, and she. The interrogative pronoun, particularly what, which, who, whom, and whose, introduce question for which a noun is the answer, as in which do you prefer. The four demonstrative pronouns this, that, these, and those distinguish the person or things being referred to from other people or things. They are identical to the demonstrative adjectives. Relative pronouns introduce a subordinate clause, a part of a sentence that includes a subject and verb but doesn't form a sentence by itself. The main relative pronouns are that which, who, whom, what, and whose. It makes a relation between dependent or independent clause. A clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb that are normally used to add more detail to the noun in a sentence. An example of this clause is the shiny blue car raced around the track. Two types, ordinate and subordinate clause. Reflexive pronoun are words like myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, and themselves. They refer back to a person or thing. Myself, herself, ourselves, and itself. Indefinite pronoun such as everybody, either, none, and something do not refer to a specific person or thing and typically refer to an unidentified or unfamiliar person or thing. Possessive pronouns refer to things or people that belong to someone. The main possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, her, its, ours, and their. They are specific to someone. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.